How to change Reddit username. Welcome back to the channel, and let's start with the video. To change your username on Reddit, first and foremost, go ahead and open up your application. Log into your account. Then, once you are logged in, you'll be landed in the official homepage. Select your user icon at the top. If you tap on the drop-down icon, you will see that your username cannot be changed from here. If you head to your profile, you will see that in the edit option, you will not be able to change your username. However, you can change your display name. So right here, I can write anything that I want to as my display name. And once I tap on the save option at the top, that will be my display name for now. So that's the thing. Your username is the username given by the Reddit itself, and you will not be able to change it except by deleting your current account and recreating a new account with a new username that it displays. If you face any of the lag issue in your Reddit, you can head back from the application, press and hold on to it, and go to App Info. Force stop your application, then tap on Storage and Cache and clear up the cache. You can also check for your Wi-Fi connection and switch to a cellular data if you are facing some lag issue due to slow Wi-Fi. And that's a wrap for this video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.